Hi, I'm Danny Page with Turn the Page LLC. Today I'm testing the Rode NTG-2 going directly into the 5D Mark III or going into the JuicedLink Riggy. I'm trying to compare the noise floor of going directly into the camera versus using a preamp like the JuicedLink. We'll also be comparing the JuicedLink on the normal settings versus using the gain boost. Just a fair bit of warning, there is some background noise such as the AC unit and my hard drives. So please try to listen past those and listen to just the noise coming from both the preamps.
I'm speaking into a Rode NTG-2 with phantom power, into a JuicedLink with gain at the highest setting, into a 5D Mark III with gain set just above the second notch. I'm speaking into an NTG-2 Rode mic with phantom power, into a JuicedLink set at the highest gain with gain booster, into a 5D Mark III with gain set just one tick above off.
As you can hear, there's a significant difference between plugging the Rode directly into the 5D3 and into the JuicedLink Riggy. When I first got the JuicedLink, I was slightly disappointed with the quality because it sounded as if the JuicedLink wasn't making any improvement. That is until I discovered the gain boost. Once I turned the gain boost on, I was able to turn down the gain on the 5D3 and eliminate almost all the noise floor. In most applications, such as interviews, corporate work, documentaries, the sound quality going through the JuicedLink Riggy is more than acceptable, especially when you're laying down a background track to hide the background noise.